Hi, my name is Sergey Gusev. In this video tutorial I'm going to show how to paint a portrait alla prima, wet and wet during only one session. So let's get started. I'm going to paint on a panel, MDF panel. The size is quite small, 8 times 8 inches, but it's quite okay, quite good for a quick study. We don't have much time, so we don't have a lot of time to make an underdrawing. Let's start from blocking in. I'm going to use this quite small, inexpensive bristle brush for the initial sketch, and then closer to the end I will use flat, soft synthetics to finish the details. Let's pick up a bit of sienna, burnt sienna, and start sketching out. Right now mostly we care only for the composition and correct proportions. A few basic lines, no details right now. Let's darken in the eye sockets. And right now you can add a tiny bit of medium. Don't forget about the neck, shoulder girdle. You can add a tiny bit of raw umber to darken the color. You can correct everything just using a piece of cloth and use it as an eraser to move things on the canvas or on the surface you use. Continue to draw. Darken in the dark areas, like here for example, because it's in the shadow, so we don't need to keep it really light. We see a dark spot, we'll make it dark. And always draw. We don't have much time to make underdrawing, underpainting, so we have to paint and draw at the same time. I'm using Van Gogh oil paints, but you can use any brand you personally like. And I use mostly basic colors like titanium white, cadmium lemon, yellow ochre, cadmium red, burnt sienna, ultramarine, raw umber, and a bit of sky blue, because we need some bright colors over there to paint the feathers on the head. Right now we work mostly with the values. They're really important for realistic painting or drawing. I don't really want to make the background, to paint the background, but we can darken around. So right now we mostly care for the values and drawing. Drawing means proportions, values, it's also about drawing, and big silhouettes. So look at the entire silhouette on the edges and correct the big silhouette, its shape. Don't forget about the neck. It's in a shadow, so we need to show it, demonstrate. It's not the darkest area because it's not very close to the light source. Let's work a little bit on the feathers. They're really bright, so we need to use some sky blue and just block in the big spot. No details right now. Let's darken a little bit in the backgrounds, though I told in the beginning that I don't want to work a lot on the backgrounds. I think we need to make it slightly darker because the lights of the face, the skin tones are really light, especially here, so it makes sense to make the backgrounds darker, especially on this side. Just use a piece of cloth. And I think it's time to stop and maybe make a few final brush strokes. I hope this video tutorial was interesting and inspiring for you. I wish you good luck with your own artworks. Thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.